Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your contacts in Docusign. If you work with a lot of electronic agreements, keeping your contact list updated can make sending documents faster, reduce mistakes, and create a much smoother workflow. Let's walk through the steps together in a simple and clear way. Start by heading to the Docusign website. Once you are on the homepage, look for the Login button. Click it and you will be taken to the sign-in page. Enter your email and password carefully. This login process keeps all your documents and contacts protected, so always make sure your information is secure. After signing in, you will land on your Docusign home screen where you can access all your agreements and account tools. From here, look for the profile option. Depending on your layout, it may appear at the top right corner or in the navigation panel along the side. Click on it to open your account settings. Inside your profile, go ahead and select My Preferences. This section is where you control how Docusign works for you, and it is a good area to review from time to time so your settings always match your current workflow. Next, find the Contacts option in the menu. This is where you manage the names, email addresses, and details of the people you send documents to. Keeping this list up to date ensures your agreements always reach the right person without delays or errors. When you open the Contacts section, you will see a tab labeled Directory. Click on it to view your full contact list. Inside the directory, you can edit any existing contact by selecting their name and updating their details. You can also remove contacts you no longer need or add new contacts whenever your business grows or changes. This directory acts as your personal digital address book inside Docusign, making it easier to manage frequent signers and maintain professional communication. By following these steps, you now know how to edit your contacts in Docusign and keep your account organized. A clean and accurate contact list helps you send documents quickly and makes your digital workflow more efficient overall. Taking a few minutes to update this area can save you time each time you send a new agreement. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to revisit it whenever you need a refresher. For more guides on using Docusign and other digital tools, be sure to check out our other videos. Have a great day and happy document signing.